On this week's episode, I'll be taking apart a T-boned Tesla Model 3. First, we'll be taking apart all the fender components. Next, we will be taking apart the rear door and removing it from the car. The front door won't pry open, so it's on to plan B. I'm loosening off the fender bolts to gain access to the front door hinges. Now, with the door removed, it is time to disconnect the wiring. With both doors removed, you can see there is some hard kinks in the outer side aperture, which is signs that the inner panels are pushed in. So we will start removing the interior to evaluate the structural damage. We will start by removing all the rear seat components. Time to start removing the B-pillar oblique, door seals, and body side chrome molding. Time to start removing the right front seat. Now I am disconnecting the right front seat's wiring harness. Time to remove the center console. Next, we'll be removing the left front seat So we are able to remove all the carpets to evaluate the floor for structural damage. Time to remove all of the upper trims so we can remove the headliner from the vehicle. This Model 3 has been all taken apart. As stating before, seeing these kinks was a sign of structural damage underneath. Lots of structural damage has been found with the ultra high strength inner B-pillar being pushed in. The inner high strength steel rocker is collapsed with some damage on the floor mount. The interior has been completely removed to evaluate all the structural damages.